everyone, this is Frugal Panda here. Sun's beaming. It's supposed to be like 91 degrees today. Portland's a pretty cool city. So I haven't spent any money yet today. I'll go out to eat. I've been eating usually once a day. I brought my refrigerator so I save money. So the plan is I eat. I always have stuff in my refrigerator. And then I go out and have a nice meal. Or sometimes not even really a nice meal. Depends what I want to spend. But I try and get something local. I'm not trying to do fast food. I try to make sure I'm not to the point where I'm really hungry, then I'm stopping at, say, I don't know, Burger King or something. I did go to a burger place, but it was like a hole in the wall. I think it was called Burger Hut in Sale another day. I spent $14 and the burger was good. You know, most of the smaller, like hole in the wall burger places I went to always have really good burgers and fries. But I'll find something local here too. So like yesterday, my food budget, I spent $14 is what I spent. So I recommend, you know, you ever get a chance, come out to the Pacific Northwest, come check it out if you're not out here. It is so beautiful. You know, I think I was messed around and read my Facebook. I hope you guys can see me. The sun's kind of beaming on me. There's really no shade up here. And just the stuff people post right now, and COVID and everything like that, just the stuff, how angry people are either one way or the other. And I always tell them, and you know, a lot of them I would delete, but I've known some of them since I was a child. Like they had been like friends, almost like brothers. Some of them are like brothers, but they went down that rabbit hole of either way. And I don't want to read that stuff, but it also tells me they also all still live in like Indiana. You know, they haven't been on vacation, they haven't been anywhere, and I know them personally, and they don't take vacations. Yeah, you go to Hawaii every decade or two, but they haven't experienced the world. They haven't experienced their own country. So they're just sitting at home, angry, just going to work, coming home. Man, there's so much more. There's so much more to see. There's so many things. I sit up here with the sun burning me up in the back of my neck like I got sunblock on, but it's worth it. So instead of erasing them, I snoozed them because I just don't want to read all that. You know, there's too much out here to see. I mean, good Lord. I mean, this country is beautiful. The world is beautiful. There's so many cool places to go. So I recommend to people, get out. If you don't think you got money, save a little bit of money. You know, sometimes invest in certain things. Like, you know, I bought the little refrigerator. Instead of eating out 3 times a day, I eat usually, as long as I don't wait till I'm super hungry, one nice meal a day. And later in the day, and sometimes like, you know, a shake or something. I see some little cool milkshake place or, you know, whatever, cool little shop. But there's ways to travel on a budget too, and there's things to see in this country. I haven't spent any money today. I will spend some money probably on some type of tour or something. I haven't probably not for Portland because I've been here a couple times, but for like maybe Seattle, or at least I'm going to get on the ferry or a clipper or something like that and travel to one of the islands. Again, it's been years since I've done that. Man, it's beautiful. This is a free park. You'll see my video of the grotto. The grotto was free. Spiritual center, spiritual little walk path with different Catholic shrines, and it was beautiful. It was quiet. It was peaceful. You know, if you've ever been to any type of religious, I don't know how to say it. Like I've been to Buddhist temples. I've been to a variety of different ones, but like those trails and how they have it set up, it's made to be peaceful. A lot of people don't understand, you know, they have more similar than they have apart, you know, in regards to just the peace and stuff like in those settings. So, but hey, get out, see stuff, man, have to see. All right, I'm gonna keep moving. I just want to stop and make a video. Hope everyone's having a good day. It's gonna be 91 degrees up here in Portland. And up on this hill, I feel it on the back of my neck.